At Galway Cars Group, we are the only company who can provide factory-fitted extras on each vehicle, so you never overpay by choosing us. All our cars are supplied fully serviced with a 2-year warranty, full HP report and fresh NCT where applicable. All our customers can enjoy free vehicle delivery anywhere in Ireland, plus a full fuel tank. We are a credit intermediary for most large banks and finance houses, so we can help you fund your new purchase, clear any outstanding loans on your vehicle, and trade-ins are welcome. Our high-end vehicles are available to view in Oranmore branch, even in late evenings or weekends by appointment, so feel free to call in after hours to view any of our cars. We're conveniently located in the middle of Oranmore village next to the Bank of Ireland. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 AM to 6 PM and Saturday 10 till 6. For after-hours appointments, please contact sales to make arrangements.